Hi, my wonderful people. A lot of you said that you were really interested in the ancient Egyptian gods and their religion, so this activity is going to help with that. You have 5 instructions. Number 1, grab a blank piece of paper. It can be regular computer paper, could be lined paper, could be a paper that you put in a notebook or leave in a notebook. I don't care, so long as you have enough room to write. That's all that matters. Then you're going to open the religion activity PowerPoint, which is right here. It's opening. Here's our objective. I can describe and investigate the religious organization of ancient Egypt by repeating important information and analyzing situations involving different gods. Your directions are actually a little bit different. This is the in-person directions. So what I need you to do is on your paper, you're going to read this as many times as you can until you think you have it memorized. Then when you think you have it memorized, you're going to write it, copy it onto this paper. Now, what I do not want you to do is to write, you see, religion, and then write religion, and then was, and then write was, and then at, and then write at. That is not memorizing, that is copying. Okay, I want you to memorize as much as you possibly can. Read it as many times as you need to. You've got the time. Time is free, fam. And then you're going to write it down on your paper. You're going to do this for all 6 sentences. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to try and memorize all 6 and then write them down. Okay? After you have done that, you're going to go to the next slide and you have a scenario. Number 1. You are a fisherman in the city of Thebes. A terrible plague has killed many people in your community, including your wife and small child. Now you only have 1 son left to care for. Which god would you choose to pray to for comfort for your lost family members, and why? So your choices are Seth or Horus or Osiris. You're going to read about each of these gods, these are all men, what he is in charge of, and which one of these 3 would you pray to? Now, some of these situations are kind of difficult. In this situation, you're praying for comfort. You're praying to feel better after you've lost your family. So, in that case, which god would you pray to? And then you're going to describe why. I would pray to Bob because he is the god of making people feel better. That make sense? And you're going to do that for scenario 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of your scenarios. When you are done with that, my wonderful human beings, you are then going to either turn in your completed paper the next time you're in the building, or you can upload a picture using the paperclip add work button under the PowerPoint. So right there where it says student work, you have a paperclip and it says add work. Or you can take a picture and you can send it to me just through email, okay? You have plenty of choices, plenty of help. If you need help, email me. Yeah, the end. Be good people, make good choices.